Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the amplifier safe to work on. Disconnect mains and wait at least 5 minutes so filter capacitors bleed down. Next, visually inspect the power cord, plug and ground connection for frays or loose pins. A poor ground often causes hum. Once done, plug the amp into a different outlet and swap input cables to confirm whether hum follows the amp or the source, because isolating the source saves time and points us to the right fix. Now you tackle grounding and the signal path. Use a ground lift adapter briefly to see if chassis-related hum stops. This is diagnostic, not a permanent fix. Then open the amp and inspect PCB ground traces and solder joints. Reflow any cold joints because high impedance grounds introduce hum. Also make sure inputs use balanced cables or a die box when available, since balanced paths cancel noise. Once these changes are made, test at realistic volume to verify improvement. Finish by calibrating bias and idle current to manufacturer specs, because incorrect bias can create low-frequency hum. Measure with a multimeter and adjust carefully. If you still hear a steady low hum, replace aging filter capacitors. They dry out and lose capacitance over time. Once done, if hum persists, isolate whether it comes from the preamp or power amp by injecting a signal at the power amp input. This targeted test tells you where to focus the next repair, saving time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.